Hello my good friends of YouTube. It's been a while, a few days since I've made a video. I think it's been a week actually. I do apologise, I've just had so much to do. So anyway, today I've got something really interesting for you guys. Well, before I start the video, how are you all doing? I hope you're all very well. Yes, I am absolutely awesome. I feel great. Yeah, I feel great. Sorry? Yeah, I know. I'm just having a two-way conversation here. Anyway, let's get into the action. Can you hear that noise in the background? What is it, you ask? Let's have a look. It's that. It's a portable heater, which of course runs on a battery bank. It's got LED lights which are remote control. So I can turn this thing, those lights off, and of course it's got keys which fit in the side to turn everything off. That is the heat pipe which brings out the hot air, which is bloody roasting. And of course this is the exhaust, which is going out the window, which I've duct taped up to try and keep as much hot air in as possible. Now this thing, I've opened it all up to show you. It's basically a cabin heater. This one's I think this one's a 3 kilowatt, this one. Sorry, it's a 5 to 8 kilowatt. And it all fits quite snug inside of this toolbox, which is basically a toolbox that I bought from B&Q and retrofitted it with USBs. This is a DC converter, which of course you can get up to, let's turn it on. So from 4 volts, sorry, it's not a DC converter, this is just a power supply down from 4 volts all the way up to 12 volts at about 5 amps, which is here. Which is here. This is the 12 volt output. Another 12 volt output there. It's got a solo charger there because on the back there's a connection for a solar panel, which of course will charge your batteries. And this thing is on wheels, so of course it can be ported about. And in the bottom there is a diesel fuel tank. And this is just from the battery at the moment because the battery died because it was a reclaimed one from the scrapyard. So at the moment it's just running on this power supply to show you. But this thing will run flipping ages on a tank of fuel. I think it's a 5 litre tank of fuel that's in there at the moment. I put this LED wide to the pump to show me when the pump is activated. This is the voltage of the main voltage input, and on the back of here, that's the airflow which it draws in, which goes around there. Let me just get my torch. Oh, my beautiful torch. Oh, this is so cool. That's the name of that torch. Best torch make in the world. Let's just change this, hold on. Can't do the button properly. So there's your solar panel input. That's the air input just there, and that's the exhaust. And this is those brackets I put just there are where this one piece of exhaust folds into it when it's cooled down, of course. And I got a bit of extra from the scrapyard. I gave John a piece as well because I had 2 of them, John Dragonman, and it just goes straight out there. So let me show you what the sound is like outside. It sounds like a jet engine. So you can't really see any smoke coming out of it because it burns really well. When it first starts you get a little bit of smoke because it's cold of course. But this thing is amazing, and once you've got a battery in there, you can basically wheel this thing around anywhere, use it for caravans or anything. You can basically just put this outside, put a bit of try and keep everything waterproof as possible. I mean, this is quite waterproof. This isn't very waterproof, so if I was going to take this outside I'd put something over that of course, but the rest of it is waterproof, and it's fantastic. You can take it out anywhere, guys. The heater was from AliExpress. You know, and everything else you can just pick up off eBay. eBay. I think these bits are from, or reclaimed from, other stuff I've taken apart. LED lights from AliExpress. So yeah, I mean, normally these cabin heaters are about £300 to buy, but of course Awesome China copies it and ships it out for a quarter of the price. Well, near enough quarter of the price. I think I paid about £60–70 for it, which is absolutely awesome because this thing works so well. And you can change the frequency, so I can have this thing go hotter if I want to, and it does kick out some really good heat. You know, listen to this boost up now. You'll see the light flash quicker. You know the change. Oh my god, I can't even put my hands there. I literally cannot put my hands in front of this. It's unreal. I could have just actually left that in there on the terminals and just connected the power supply input there, because it's all linked up. So it starts coming about 3 volts. Very handy thing to have. I thought this is awesome, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. How many 18650s do I have? I could actually use that for the power supply. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. You know, told you I'll try and make as many videos as I can. I built this because I know one of you can ask. I actually built handles on it as well. Yep, you know it. I just noticed those and thought I'd show you those as well. So yeah, it's I reinforced the inside of it as well with pieces of steel to reinforce, because you know what these toolboxes are like. Some of them, I mean, I think I paid about 35 quid for that, 40 quid for it, and they're flimsy, aren't they? They're not the best of toolboxes. So now it's reinforced with steel on the inside. You can see the rivets on the outside, look, and on that one as well, on the bottom one. It's a rivets, look. I'll show you the frame that I put in, because I forgot to tell you about this. It just makes it more durable, doesn't it? And you know it's not gonna, you know, buckle in or anything. And before any of you ask as well, the top end of there where that heater is doesn't get hot. All the heat comes out the pipe and it just sucks in cold air from the other side. Fantastic, can't win. Yeah, I did forget to show you this as well. Oh shit, nearly pulled that out. That's the air pulling, it pulls the air in there for the blower, and that's the air input for the heater. So I'll let you go now. So look after yourselves and be safe whatever you're doing. Please subscribe if you're new to my videos. Give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave us a comment down below asking any questions, which I'll try and answer to the best of my knowledge. So look after yourselves, and speak again soon, guys. Take care. See you.